change the way you think about cooking. In this epic guide to better eating, the chef, recipe developer, and video producer Sohla El-Waylly reimagines what a cookbook can be, teaching home cooks of all skill levels how cooking really works. A practical, information-packed, and transformative guide to becoming a better cook and conquering the kitchen. Start here as a must-have masterclass in leveling up your cooking. Across a dozen technique-themed chapters, from Temperature Management 101, and Break It Down and Get Saucy, to Go to Brown Town, all about butter, and getting to know dough, Sohla El-Waylly explains the hows and whys of cooking, introducing the fundamental skills that you need to become a more intuitive, inventive cook. A one-stop resource, regardless of what you're hungry for. Start Here gives equal weight to savory and sweet dishes, with more than 200 mouthwatering recipes. Find the link below and buy the book now.